today we're going to be making chocolate pound cake.
You will need a cake mix, instant pudding, 4 large eggs, water, vegetable oil, and frosting.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Pour in the cake mix. Pour in chocolate pudding mix.
Crack 4 eggs in a small bowl and pour it into the mix.
Next, dump 1 1/4 cups of water. Pour a 1/2 cup of oil into the mix. Now beat ingredients for 2 minutes on medium.
Grease the bundt pan and then pour the ingredients into the pan. Put it in the oven and let it bake for 50 to 60 minutes. When the cake comes out of the oven, let it cool for 25 minutes in the pan. When it's ready and cooled, take the pan and flip it over onto a plate. Microwave a 1/2 cup of frosting for 15 seconds and then stir. Drizzle the frosting onto the cake.
Cut and enjoy.